So here are 5 reasons why your Honda Forza scooter might not be starting. Number one is that your kickstand might be down. If the kickstand is down like this, the Honda Forza is built in a way that it won't start if your kickstand is down. So you have to put your kickstand up for you to start. The second reason why your Honda Forza may have problems starting is because you are trying to start it the wrong way. Now, different bikes have different starting mechanisms, and this one has a bunch of things that you have to do together for it to start. You're not pulling in the rear brake before you start. You get some other scooters, some other motorcycles. All you have to do is just put this on, put the engine on, and then press this, and it will start. But for the Honda Forza, you have to put this on and pull this in while you press this for it to start. Okay, so the third reason why your Honda Forza might not start could be that the battery is dead. The battery may be dead. So if you have left it sitting for a long time, maybe a couple of months, and you didn't ride it, the battery would have lost charge over time. So if it's the battery, you need to get someone uh, to jumpstart your battery, and the battery can be found under this seat. This isn't as much a problem if your scooter is fuel injected, but if your scooter uses a carburetor, then even sitting for just 2 weeks is going to kill the battery. So always take note of this. So the fourth reason that can stop your Honda Forza from starting is a no-brainer. If you don't have enough fuel, this is where the fuel tank is located. uh this is how you get to the fuel tank, and you press this button over here. So if you don't have enough fuel, your Honda Forza, obviously, like any other bike, is not going to start. The fifth and most important reason why your Honda Forza might not start is if you have a bad starter motor. What is a starter motor? A starter motor is what makes your bike start, and it's located in the engine at the back behind. I don't think I can show you from here. I'm not sure you can see from here, but it's located somewhere in here. Damn, this is hot. It's located somewhere in here. If your starter motor is bad, your bike is going to come on, meaning the electricals will come on, but it's not going to crank on. You get it? So when I bought this Honda Forza in 2023, 1 month after, I had issues with my starter motor, and I had to change it for about 30,000 naira. Uh, and then it started working again. So that is very important, and it's such a serious thing because you can't really see it except you call a mechanic or a rewire to help you fix it. So there it is, 5 reasons why your Honda Forza motorcycle scooter may not be starting.